Can you turn on AI subtitles in VLC Media Player? Then let's open VLC Media Player at first. After opening the media player, you need to go with help, which will be on the top, and then go with the about section. Now, under about, you will have the version right here. So to enable AI subtitles, you'll need to wait for the upcoming feature, which may be available in version 4.0 instead of 3.0. But we can try updating VLC. For that, you need to go with the help option and go with check for updates. And if you have any updates, just simply go and check them. And once you have the updates, you can go and update it. After updating, you may find that option. So as you can see that it says that you cannot currently turn on an official native AI subtitle feature in your standard release of VLC Media Player, but VLC has demonstrated this technology for real-time transcription and translation. It is still in active development and not yet available in the main software. So just wait for a few days or a few months till you get the latest update. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.